in lane 5. She had the advantage of that lane. As we now head to the men's out here, the first of them is Amlan Borgohain in lane 8 from Assam. 10.60, 10.46 is of course the last of them. So they are here now for the final of the men's 100 meters. A blue ribbon event like the women where Dhanalakshmi came out with a sizzler. We're going to look at the pack out here, the 8 of them. Dondapati, Mrityu, Jairam in one, Odisha, the other boy from Odisha, sitting Odisha. 10.40, 10.48 the season's best. He's the 2024 national junior champion. In lane 2 is Sarun Paya Singh of Odisha, personal best of 10.61, which is also his season's best. In 3 is the former national record holder, the boy from the Madras Engineering Group, Bangalore, now a part of the Reliance Academy. He is the 2025 World University Games relay medalist, a personal best of 10.22. In 4 is S. Tamil Arasu of Tamil Nadu, 10.42, the 2025 Bangalore Indian Open Gold. Tamil Arasu 10.53, 10.33 in the semi-finals in the afternoon. In 6 is Rahul Kumar, in 7 is Rohit, and in 8 is Amlan Borgohain, the former national record holder. 10.60 bettered it to 10.46. Look at them, the tops end speed that will have to be maintained. The tall and efficient running posture. Focus on the high knee. Setting off now out there. This is going to be a classic. Look at the center out there of the pack. In lane 4 it is. In lane 4 it is S. Tamil Arasu. Oh, he's run the race of his life. We had a surprise in the women. We watch the men now out here. Is it Tamil Arasu in lane 4? Wonderful start out there for all of them. In 4, it's Tamil Arasu. He takes that lead. 3 is Manikanta Hobledar, trying to catch up with him, but it's too late, I suspect. It's too late for Manikanta Hobledar. It's close there. Yes, Tamil Arasu, 10.22. And the crowd out here, needless to say, goes up in ruptures because it's the local boy, Tamil Arasu. Manikanta Hobledar 10.35 and Rahul Kumar 10.40, leaving Harsh Raut, Amlan Borgohain, Dondapati.